Welcome to this tutorial on multi-factor authentication in Amazon Web Services. In this video, we'll learn how to enable MFA to enhance the security of your AWS account. MFA adds an extra protective layer that helps keep your resources safe from unauthorized access. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of security to your AWS account. Instead of relying only on a password, MFA requires 2 or more verification methods before granting access. This means that even if someone steals your password, they still cannot access your account without the additional verification factor. There are several important reasons to use MFA in AWS. First, it provides enhanced security by protecting against password theft and unauthorized access. Second, it helps you meet compliance requirements and security standards. Third, AWS strongly recommends MFA as a best practice for all accounts. Finally, MFA prevents security breaches by blocking attackers even when they have stolen your credentials. AWS supports 3 types of MFA devices. The first is a virtual MFA device, which uses authenticator apps on your smartphone like Google Authenticator or Authy. The second is a hardware MFA device, which is a physical token device such as UbiKey or Gemalto. The third option is SMS text message, where one-time codes are sent to your phone via text message. Let's walk through the steps to set up a virtual MFA device. First, navigate to the IAM dashboard and select your user account. Next, click on the Security Credentials tab. Then, select the Assign MFA Device option. Finally, choose Virtual MFA Device from the available options and click Continue. Now we'll complete the MFA configuration. First, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your Authenticator app. Next, enter 2 consecutive MFA codes generated by your app to verify the connection. Then, assign a device name to help you identify this MFA device later. Finally, click Add MFA to complete the setup process. It is critical to enable MFA for your root user account, as this is the most powerful account in your AWS environment. To do this, sign in as the root user to the AWS console. Then, click on your account name at the top right and select Security Credentials. Finally, find the MFA section and click Assign MFA Device to begin the setup process. Let's review some MFA best practices. First, enable MFA for all IAM users who have console access to ensure comprehensive security. Second, store your backup codes in a secure location in case you lose access to your MFA device. Third, consider using multiple MFA devices for redundancy to avoid being locked out. Finally, regularly audit and review your MFA configurations to ensure they remain up to date and secure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.